Hello, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. My name is Maaz, and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join me as we delve into the captivating world of Princess Catherine Cat Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge. From her stunning fashion choice to her radiant smile, Cat's elegance and poise have won hearts globally. In this video, we will explore Cat's evolution as a fashion icon, her most memorable style moments, how she balanced royal duties with family life, the secrets behind her captivating smile. So wait till the end to discover more about this beloved role inspiration life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily uploads. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date out my previous videos for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. So my beautiful viewers, Cat's classic style is admired by many, but she is not afraid to take risks with her fashion choice. Her smile can light up a room, and we will explore the secrets behind it. As a mother of three, Cat's pretending style is relatable and inspiring. We will take a closer look at her stunning wedding dresses and how it set the tone for royal style. Cat's charity work is truly admirable, and we will highlight some of her most notable cases. Her relationship with Prince William is the stuff of fairy tale. We will explore their love story. So Cat's fashion choice often pay homage to British designer and heritage. She is a true advocate for women's empowerment and gender equality. And we will examine how Cat's style has evolved since becoming a member of the royal family. Her ability to connect with people from all walks of life is truly remarkable. Cat's love for photography is a lesser-known talent. We will showcase some of her amazing work. She is a devoted mother of often incorporates her children into her royal duties. Cat's passion for mental health awareness is truly inspiring. We will take a closer look at her incredible jewelry collection. Her approach to fashion is both timeless and modern. Cat's role in the royal family is multifaceted. We will explore her various responsibilities. She is a true fashion chameleon, able to pull off any style. Cat's influence on British fashion is undeniable. We will examine how she handles media security with grace and poise. Her dedication to her family and country is truly admirable. So my beautiful viewers, share your thoughts on Cat's Middleton fashion and life in the comments below. Stay tuned for more content. I upload video daily. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Cat's style is perfect blend of classic and contemporary. She is a true role model for young women around the world. Her fashion choices often reflect her personality and mood. Cat's ability to connect with people is a rare gift. She is a devoted wife and mother, prioritizing family above all. Her charity work focuses on empowering women and children. Cat's fashion evolution is a fascinating story. She is not afraid to repeat outfits, making fashion more accessible. Her smile is contagious and brightens up any room. Cat's dedication to her royal duties is truly inspiring. She is a true ambassador to British fashion and culture. Her love for nature and the outdoor is reflected in her fashion choices. Cat's a strong advocate for mental health and awareness. She is a true fashion icon, inspiring millions worldwide. Her approach to fashion is both elegant and understated. Cat's role in the royal family is both challenging and rewarding. She is a devoted patron of the art and culture. Her fashion choices often pay tribute to her heritage. Cat's a true leader and inspiration to many. Her legacy will be remembered for generations to come. So let me know what you think. Share your thoughts on Cat's Middleton fashion and life in the comment below. Stay tuned for more content. I upload video daily basis, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. I wanted to tell you about my YouTube channel. In this channel you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So my beautiful viewers, join me on a journey into the lives of world's most stylish women in this world. We are exploring the fascinating biographies and fashion evolution of iconic ladies like Kate Middleton, Melania Trump and other renowned women who inspired us with their elegance and poise. From royal wedding to state dinners, we will delve into the captivating stories of these influential women, highlighting their early life and rise to fame, signature fashion, style and trend, most memorable fashion moments, and philanthropic work and passion. Whether you are a fan of classic royalty or a modern day glamour, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the extraordinary lives of these fashion icons together. Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge, has become a global fashion icon since her wedding to Prince William in 2011. Her classic, elegant style has inspired countless women around the world. So, my beautiful viewers, we will also explore the styles of other famous women, including Queen Letizia of Spain and Crown Princess Mary Denmark. These women are not only fashion icons but also role models. Their platforms to promote positivity and kindness. Get ready for a fashion journey like no other. We will examine the fashion choices of these women during significant events like state visits and red carpet appearance. Their fashion sense is not only a reflection of their personal style but also a presentation of their countries and roles. From Kate Middleton's to Alexander McQueen wedding gown to Melania Trump inaugural ball gown, we will visit the most unforgettable fashion moments. These women have inspired a generation of young women to embrace their own unique style and confidence. Their philanthropic work and charitable are truly admired and inspiring. We will discuss how their fashion choices often reflect their support for local designers and industries. The impact of their fashion influence extends beyond the runway, inspiring women to feel confident and beautiful. Their style are a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, making them retailable and inspirational. These women have redefined their meaning of fashion and style, using their platforms to promote empowerment and kindness. Their biographies are a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and passion. We will explore how their fashion evolution has mirrored their personal growth and development. From casual everyday looks to glamorous evening gowns, we will cover it all. These women are the epitome of elegance, grace, and sophistication, making them true fashion icon. Their legacies will continue to inspire future generation of women both in fashion and beyond. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this fashion journey with me. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fashion content. Let me know if you need any further modification, and please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice, to help you live your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. And my beautiful viewers, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting news. I have recently launched this YouTube channel. On my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion, trend and style from American women, French women, English women, worldwide women, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports and style inspiration from women of all ages and background. So if you are as passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today. Let's explore the world fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, who can forget Cat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen. This lace gown is masterpiece, and let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown. Cat dresses are always a hit and we cannot get enough of them. But Cat's style is not just limited to formal events. Her everyday outfits are always chic and retailable. From classic trench coats to stylish knickers, Cat's wardrobe staples are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Cat's, from high-end designer like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget. And don't forget to check out online retailers like Net-a-Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. Thanks again for watching. Love yous. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. We upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care.